Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you another cooking video. Today I will be cooking vegan Rasta pasta. But first, before I even begin, make sure you subscribe. I'll wait.
How did I get here? How did I get here?
Hope you subscribed. So, like I mentioned, I am gonna make vegan Rasta pasta. My mom begged me to make another batch, so here I am. I'm gonna call these segments Cooking with Triggs. If you don't know, my nickname is Triggs, so you're cooking with me. Yum, yum, yum.
I promise you this is going to be quick and easy. So let's jump right into the ingredients. So first, you need pasta. This brand is really good. Then you need coconut cream, then coconut milk, then jerk seasoning. I personally really like spicy, but my mom doesn't, so we'll stick with the mild. Nutritional yeast, some flour, and then you can't go wrong with vegetables. Add all the ones that you want. So you gotta have some garlic, some pepper, onions, and spring onions or scallions, whatever you like to call them. I know this is vegan, but I'm gonna throw some shrimp and calamari on the side. Don't be mad. Season them however you wish. Of course, pour the pasta in the pot. Now you have to saute the veggies. Bam! There's the veggies. Once the veggies have cooked, throw in all those extra ingredients. Now time for the goodness. So add at least 3 scoops of the jerk seasoning. Mix that all in. Add a whole can of coconut milk. Now the coconut cream, I already had some that was left over. I don't use the whole can, so you can just pour a reasonable amount. Add 2 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, Sauté those scallions, oh yeah. Now I know I sauteed the calamari and the shrimp, seasoned them up, throw them in the pot. Look at all this yummy goodness. See, I told you, nice and easy. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Tune in for the next one.